Where do you keep the documents?
"文件在办公室里。
The documents are in the office. The documents are in the office. The documents are in the office.
几点开会？"
What time is the meeting? What time is the meeting? What time is the meeting?
我们早上8点开会。
We have a meeting at 8 a.m. We have a meeting at 8 a.m. We have a meeting at 8 a.m.
我没收到那笔钱。
I did not receive the money. I did not receive the money. I did not receive the money.
能给我一张收据吗？
Can you give me a receipt? Can you give me a receipt? Can you give me a receipt?
我的客户在打电话。
My client is on the phone. My client is on the phone. My client is on the phone.
有客人在等你。
There's a customer waiting for you. There's a customer waiting for you. There's a customer waiting for you.
这个会议就是在浪费时间。
This meeting is a waste of time. This meeting is a waste of time. This meeting is a waste of time.
我认为我们达成协议了。
I think we have an agreement. I think we have an agreement. I think we have an agreement.
交易棒极了。
This is a great deal. This is a great deal.